Cooking Together, a flavorful journey in English language learning. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, cooking together. It's not just about food. It's about the language that brings us together in the kitchen. Let's dive in and discover the richness of this phrase. Cooking together refers to the act of preparing food as a group. This phrase is not only about the physical act of cooking but also symbolizes collaboration, teamwork, and sharing experiences. It's a common phrase in English that can be used literally or metaphorically to indicate working together harmoniously on any task. In its literal sense, cooking together involves multiple people preparing a meal. It's a social activity where everyone contributes, whether it's chopping vegetables, stirring a pot, or setting the table. It's often associated with family gatherings, friendly get-togethers, or even team-building activities in a work environment. Metaphorically, cooking together can describe any situation where people collaborate to achieve a common goal. It implies a sense of unity and the blending of different ideas and skills, just like ingredients in a recipe. This usage is popular in business or creative projects, symbolizing team effort and cooperation. The phrase also holds cultural significance. In many cultures, cooking and eating together are fundamental activities that strengthen bonds. It represents sharing, caring, and community. Understanding this phrase gives insight into English-speaking cultures where food often plays a central role in socializing and celebrating. Cooking together is a multifaceted phrase in the English language, rich with literal and metaphorical meanings. It's about more than just food. It's about the experience, relationships, and teamwork that come with it. Whether you're in the kitchen or working on a group project, this phrase encapsulates the essence of collaboration. We hope this video helps you understand and use cooking together in your English language journey. Happy learning and happy cooking!